Welcome to DecisionLender by TCI. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can maximize growth through the DecisionLender 4 cross-sell module. TCI's cross-sell module enables your institution to engage customers in novel ways by converting a single secured or unsecured loan into multiple loan products, upgrading that consumer to a long-term customer. So, how does it work? Our omni-channel cross-sell module is utilized in-branch and online. Here's an example. A consumer is applying for a $5,000 unsecured loan through your website. Once the applicant is approved, has signed with an e-signature, and has selected a funding method, the applicant is served a tailored menu of additional loan products they are pre-approved for. Additionally, if you are connected with our deposit account origination module, the cross-sell module can also offer new deposit accounts to the consumer. Now, the consumer who applied for a $5,000 unsecured loan not only walked away with their $5,000, but they refinanced their auto loan and opened a new checking account with your institution. If the consumer has more loan products with your institution, it guarantees that they will be a long-term customer. Additional key features of the cross-sell module are fully branded loan products, such as your company logo on the credit card offered, dynamic notifications for underwriters in branch, so they know when to offer additional loan products to consumers who enter the branch. Automatically pre-populate new applications for consumers who accept the new offer to streamline the application process. This greatly reduces abandonment rates. Application progress saving. Consumers can apply for loan products online, save their progress, and complete the application on another device or in branch. Set priorities for new loan products being offered through the cross-sell module. Cross-sell in DecisionLender 4 gives you the tools you need to compete with the big banks and fintechs. Put more loan products and deposit accounts in the hands of consumers quickly with the cross-sell module in DecisionLender 4.